Good good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're all having a good day wherever you are in the world today. Money Star 365 here, and I want to do this quick video on the best $18 business that I've ever come across in my online marketing journey. As you guys know, Easy Cash Code is back. Easy Cash Code is jam-packed with value. Easy Cash Code is jam-packed with opportunity to earn instant commissions, and of course, it is jam-packed with everything that a marketer needs to be successful online, alright? So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm already here at the Quick Start training. I've done all this since I had Easy Cash Code back in 2017. I'm going to go to the My Business section. Actually, no, wrong section, guys. I'm going to go to the Products and Training section, the ECC membership. Now, this is what you're going to have access to for $18, okay, so far. This here is training, advertising strategies, autoresponding training, basic graphics and image editing, creating sales and download pages. The list goes on and on and on. These are all training videos that you get access to that help your business in different areas. As you can see here, basic video creation, gym walkthrough, camp studio walkthrough, screencast-o-matic walkthrough. So many platforms that you can use to make videos online or offline, and they give you the basic blueprint right here to making these videos inside of the training. This is all in the $18 level, alright? Now also, not only that, but you have options inside of the system to increase your commissions, right? These are all different products inside the ECC membership that are offered to anyone who chooses to purchase the products, learn more about the products, and then resell the products as well. So, what we're going to do, we're going to go to the subscriptions tab here real quick. As you can see here, the full list of products here, I've already had, like I said, I've had some of these already. This here is a requirement for ECC, software licensing, to become a reseller for the products. Everything you see here is a one-time payment because there are no monthly fees with ECC. So once you pay your one-time payments for these products, these are all yours. And you earn the 100% commissions on everything other than the licensing, right? $18, 100% commission on that, $37, 100% commission on that, and so forth and so on. Okay, guys? The opportunity that you have with Easy Cash Code is pretty much amazing. The products inside of the system itself, including the ones that I've learned about, are amazing. This is one of the best marketing systems, as I've said, for a new marketer just starting out, or for an existing marketer that wants to add a little bit more to their marketing portfolio, if you will, okay? Not only that, but you could also advertise your primary business on the back end, all right? So that pretty much makes this not only a lead magnet for your other businesses, but you can also earn on the front end with the products inside of the system, all right? If you guys have any questions about ECC, leave me them in the comment section of the video. If you want to get started, click on my link in the comment section of the video. And guys, I really don't know how else to say this. It's $18 one time to get started, right? And once you get started with that $18, if you want to upgrade, you can definitely upgrade. That's why it's optional. But if you just want to stick with the $18 commissions for now, do that, because the value you get alone for $18 is more than enough, and it more than justifies you purchasing, this Easy Cash Code system, right? So guys, I hope you all have a great day. Hope you all enjoy this video, and don't miss out on the opportunity. That's all I can say, all right? You guys take care. You guys stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.